This is Legion Bridge, a hidden gem in Prague. Whether you're a solo traveler or with someone, it's the kind of place where you can just sit, breathe, and take in all. I definitely recommend this place. From the bridge, you can enjoy the views of Prague Castle, the National Theatre, and the Vltava River. The best time to visit this place is either early morning or late afternoon for lesser crowd. From this spot, you can also get a boat ride, and the cost varies depending on the duration and the type of the cruise. The standard cruise is around 20 euros for 1 hour, whereas if you go for dinner or buffet, that will cost you a little bit more, around 50 euros. What a perfect spot for pictures. If you like the video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe.